have the digital aligner, and what you're watching is the workflow in our Lux Design software. You can bring in a scan, or you can bring in all of the models. And you can go with a scan, you can go directly to a retainer. It's very easy. And you can decide the thickness just with a slider. There's really not much to do at all. But when you bring in the aligners, you can bring in all of the models at once and work your way through the treatment plan. There we have machine learning that will help you along the way, as a lot of it is automatic. But one of the killer capabilities with direct print that it has, from a design point of view, over thermoforming, is we don't have a sheet of plastic to work with. We actually can put material exactly where we want it. So that means that we can do single thickness. We can do single thickness, what we call gradient thickness with occlusal thinning. And then we also have multi-thickness. So we also have another machine learning capability that will analyze the entire treatment plan and place a little bit of extra material exactly where it needs to be to either grip the tooth or push the tooth in a direction, or tilt the tooth in a direction that you want it more efficiently. I mentioned that the clarity is something that is absolutely important for clear aligners. They're supposed to be clear. Now, when you see here the fuzzy one, the frosted one, that's what comes off of every other printer out there. And that, compared to what comes off LuxCreo's printer, it's generating a tremendous amount of revenue for our customers while not having to increase their workforce. So we're seeing that laboratories are increasing their labor, or not increasing their labor, but increasing their revenue by 3x. And the clarity is 80% or higher, more than what's out there. Then we also are reducing the polishing time, at least 75%, as high as 90%. It's a truly amazing invention by LuxCreo to be able to say that dirty little secret of polishing after printing, we virtually eliminate it. The material development took many, many years and refinements on the material, and we were able to do all of these tests and pass, and by a lot of margin. So this is not just a barely passing resin. This is a leading resin using all of the internal capability we had of our material science team to be able to not only digitally polish it, it had to be tuned for that, but also to perform and move teeth in the environment of your mouth. This, as everyone knows in the industry, is a huge challenge to develop this material. Not only to be performing, but also to be manufactured in a simple way.